Привет! Now that you know how the genitive case works and where you can apply it, let's look at some other situations where you can use it. Today we will look at expressing quantity. The Russian system of expressing quantity is quite complicated. That's why we'll look at it bit by bit. Today we will only focus at numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's start with 1. As you can see, all the objects present here have different grammatical cases. Dog is feminine, professor is masculine, and the window is neuter. And the word for one will change depending on the gender of the noun that you are looking at. For example, одна собака, один профессор, одно окно. You might also notice that all the words here are used in the nominative. Why did I say that it's another instance of the use of the genitive? Let's see. When you have two, it gets slightly more complicated. Again, you can see that all these objects have different grammatical genders. But in this case, it will work slightly differently. We have only two words for two. One for feminine, две кошки, and one for masculine and neuter together. Два яблока, два слона. As you might notice, all the nouns here are used in the genitive case, unlike with one. What happens with 3 and 4? First of all, the words for 3 and 4 do not change. They remain like that. 3, 4. And the nouns will be used in the genitive case again. 3 яблока, 3 друга, 4 попугая, 4 кошки. No matter what the gender of the object is, you will still use 3 or 4. So, let's review. If you have one object, you need to look at its gender and use the proper word for one. Один, одно, or одна, and use the object in nominative singular. If you have two objects, you have two options. Две, which is feminine for feminine nouns, and два, which is for masculine and neuter. And you need to put the object in genitive singular. With 3 and 4, we have only one form. 3, 4, no matter what the gender of the object is. And with them, you need to use genitive singular too. Пока.